we have to remove symbols of grouping and simplify. In our example, we have here parentheses and brackets. So first, we have to do our operation, which we can do in parentheses. Next will be brackets. So we have to copy -3, open brackets, and see what we have in parentheses. We have 4b minus c, different terms. We cannot do anything. So next we have to do our operation which we have before. Parentheses, we have -2 times this whole parenthesis. So it means we have to multiply every term in parentheses by -2. When we have negative sign, it means we have to change the sign every term in parentheses to opposite. When we don't have sign, it's always positive. So we have positive 4b and -c. So I like said, we have to multiply every term inside parentheses by -2. So negative times positive give me negative. 2 times 4 is 8, and b we have to copy. And next we have negative times negative is positive. 2 times c is 2c. And we have negative c, close brackets, and now in parentheses we have b minus c, different variables. We cannot do anything, so we have to take down the parentheses. Before parentheses we have positive signs, so we have to just copy whatever we have in parentheses. This is equal. Now we have to check if we can do some operation in the brackets. Whatever we have before we have to copy. We have negative 8b, and we don't have terms with b, so we have to rewrite negative 8b. And we have 2c and negative c. Here is like invisible 1. So we have different sign before these two like terms. So we have to copy the sign of a greater number. 2 is greater than 1, so we have positive sign. And now 2 minus 1 is 1. And c we have to rewrite. The rest we have to copy. Minus c. This is equal. And now, because we have different terms in brackets, we cannot do anything. So now we have to do multiplication. We have to multiply every term inside parentheses by -3. So let me copy this. We have -3 times -8b, and we have plus -3 times 1c, and we have to copy b minus c. So this is equal. And now, how we multiply these two terms? We have to multiply number times number and sign times sign. So negative times negative give me positive. 3 times 8 is 24, and b we have to copy. Next we have plus, and we have negative, and here is invisible positive. Negative times positive give me negative, so I have to put in parentheses. And we have 3 times 1 is 3, and c we have to rewrite. And we have plus b minus c. This is equal. Next we can take down this parentheses before we have positive sign. So positive and negative give me negative. Before 24 we have positive sign, so we don't have to write this. Like I said, positive and negative give me negative, and we copy 3c. The rest we have to rewrite. Now we have to combine the like terms. We have 24b and b invisible 1 we have here, and we have -3c and -1c invisible 1. So we have positive 24 and positive 1. So we will have positive sign. 24 plus 1 is 25. B we have to copy. Next we have -3c and -1c. So we have to keep negative sign, and now we have to just add 3 plus 1 is 4, and c we have to copy. Before first term we don't have to write positive sign when we have. So we have 25b minus 4c. This is my solution.